Hello everyone, a very good morning. Hello everyone, welcome to this session. I am Gayatri, working as assistant professor in the Department of IT, Vignan University. So in this session, we are going with the unit for fifth unit. So in this fifth unit, what is the name of this unit is designing your user interface with a different views. How we have to develop the different views in your user interface design. So this unit 5 will consisting of different concepts, like the first thing is text view. So when we want to add or when we want to display any information to the user interface, so how we have to display that message contents. So that one is to be achieved by using a text view. And button, so how we have to add a button, that means the clickable option of your button is to be arranged in a 5.2. And next one is image button. So the difference between button and image button is nothing but the button is not displaying only the message, that means submit button or save button. But image button is nothing but it is having to represent some of the icon of that image. So the button is to be displayed along with the image. And edit text, the user want to collect the information. So from the user I want to collect the information, at that situation we are going with the edit text. And next thing is radio button. So what is this radio button is nothing but, so from the different options are to be there, which button you want to select, either female or male. So different things are to be possible. And radio group views. So radio button, from the list of buttons, that means from the group of buttons, if one of the button is to be selected, remaining all to be deselected automatically. That means from those group of views, how many buttons are to be selected. If any one of the is to be selected, so remaining all to be disabled. So that means radio group views is contains a collection of radio buttons. And progress bar view. So the progress bar view will shows the status of your progress work. And autocomplete text view. So what is this autocomplete text view is nothing but it is also similar to your edit text. So whenever the user types any information, that means the requirement is I want to type the username. So whenever if you are typing S, so what are the possible ways regarding you starting with a S? So those one will be appeared, that means it will show a suggestions regarding your typing. So that means whenever if you are typing a few amount, that means you are typing only so S or only few letters of your information, so it will automatically shows a suggestions to that one. So that is a autocomplete text view. So these are the list of basic views we are to discuss in this unit 5. So first of all, go with the text view. So what is this text view and what is the use of this text view is nothing but it will only use to display the text to the user. So whenever your screen is to be like this, so your user interface is to be like this, I want to display some of the message to the user. So what is the message? So welcome is a message I want to display. So whenever if you are opening of your activity, I want to display the information to the user is welcome. So at that situation, that means I want to display this message. So how we have to develop the text view? So first thing is we are simply using a linear layout for easy understanding. So we are creating a user interface design. This message will be displayed in the user interface so that it will be achieved. So to display the message in the user interface, we are only going with the XML file. We are not performing anything with the modifications with the Java file. So first thing is XML version and encoding technique. After that, we are using a linear layout. So within this linear layout, so what are the different properties we have to mention is nothing but orientation. So what is this orientation property? Main thing is nothing but it will arranges your views either vertical or horizontal, either single column or single row. We have to specify this property. This is a main property in the linear layout while you are observing that. So I am giving as vertical. So what is this vertical means? So whatever your views, so you are adding a first view, it will be appeared like this. Second view, third view, fourth, fifth. So whatever your views are to be presented, so those group of views are to be view group elements are to be presented in a single column wise. That means it is in a vertical order, it will be appeared. And what is the width and height of your linear layout? So the width and height of your linear layout will be set by these two values, fill parent and fill parent. So after that, up to this we are discussed in the third unit. So what is the third unit? So different layouts we are discussed. But in this we have to go with them how we have to add the text view to the design. So how we have to add a text view is nothing but anything will be starts with less than. Any view will be starts with a symbol less than, and I want to add a text view. So you have to write less than text view, and the ending of this text view is to be like this slash greater than. This is the opening tag of your text view and this is a closing tag of your text view. But before in this we have to mention I want to display this welcome message. That means I want to write a message in this edit text. So how to write a text property? So we are using a text. Android colon text is a property I want to display message. So what is the message I want to display is nothing but @string hello. So that means I want to display message is hello. Or if you want to display a message welcome, so you have to specify welcome. So that means whatever the text I want to display to the user, you have to use this property as Android colon text within the text view. Within the, we have to use one of the view, so that is a text view. Within that we have to go with the property is Android colon text. So in that, what is these two properties is nothing but the text view, that means the message is to be displayed to the user, but what is the width and size of this text view? What is the width and height of this text view? So those two property will be set by using this. So while you are observing, any property will be starts with the keyword as Android. So after that, layout width, that means what is the text view width. So what is the value we are passing is fill parent. So if your user interface is to be like this, the width of the text view is to be fill parent. That means it will be equal to your user interface parent, and height is wrap content. So what is this wrap content meaning? So what is the message size? What is the message height? That much of height is to be allocated. So the message height is welcome. So only the text view is only allocated to in this place. The text view is only presented in this place. Why? Because all the views will be starts in the linear layout as top left side. So from the top left side it will be presented, and it is having a width is equal to your user interface design. That's why they are mentioning as fill parent. And what is the height? Height is wrap content. So whatever the content height is to be presented, so that much of height is to be allocated. So in this way we are adding a text view. So text view size is to be decided and what is the message is to be decided. So after that, that means after the completion of this we have to close this text view. So instead of these three properties we have to specify other properties also, like text view size. So what is the width and what is the height? Along with this, what is the text size? What is the text size is also to be mentioned. So if it was, I want to display the text size only 10 pixels. So you have to mention text size which is of a size 10 pixel with a Android is a keyword. So our text view is to be, output is to be displayed like this. Only it will be displayed in the top left. So from the top left it will display a message as hello world. So assignment topics, assignment questions for this topic. So first question, discuss about the concept of text view. So the text view mainly use it for displaying a text on your screen, and write a syntax for implementation of this text view. How we have to open the text view and what are the different properties are to be presented in the text view. And next thing is develop an application with the following output. So while you are seeing this output, so what is the message I want to display? Welcome to VFSTR and IT department and thank you. but this message will not be starts from the top left corner. This message is to be presented in a center position. So, how it is to be possible? So, develop based on the output. Thank you all.